Hello everyone, welcome all of you to our channel Amar Concept House. Students, in my first video, I have already discussed with you about the rules to find the oxidation number of an atom in a molecule. But today I will give you some tricks to find the oxidation number of an atom in a molecule structurally. So this video will be very important for you. I have already told you in my first video that the oxidation number is the formal charge. Oxidation number or oxidation state is the formal charge of an atom in a molecule. Like suppose I will make a water structure here. O single bond H single bond H. Look carefully. These two electrons shift towards oxygen because oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen. हाइड्रोजन तो इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव है, सो ऑक्सीजन इज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव. सो फॉर दिस वन इसके ऊपर -1 एंड इसके ऊपर +1. नाउ दीज टू इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ऑल्सो शिफ्ट टुवर्ड्स ऑक्सीजन बिकॉज ऑक्सीजन इज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव. सो इसके ऊपर -1 एंड हाइड्रोजन के ऊपर +1. Why shift towards oxygen? Because oxygen is more electronegative. Oxygen is more electronegative. Now what is the total formal charge over oxygen? -1, -2. So its oxidation state is -2. And hydrogen का +1. Understood? Now write a note here. In a covalent bond, assign -1 to more electronegative atom, and +1 to lesser electronegative atom. Clear? Here we all know more electronegative is oxygen. So remember, in a covalent bond, assign -1 to more electronegative atom and +1 to lesser electronegative atom. For example, SO2, sulfur dioxide. What is the structure of sulfur dioxide? S double bond O. Clear? So for this one, which is more electronegative? Oxygen is more electronegative. As we know, it is the order of electronegativity. Fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen are same as chlorine. Bromine, iodine, sulfur, carbon, hydrogen. So here oxygen is more electronegative than sulfur. So for this one it is -1 and it is +1. Now for this one it is -1 and sulfur के ऊपर +1. Similarly for this one it is -1 and it is +1. And for this one it is -1, oxygen के ऊपर -1 और सल्फर के ऊपर +1. Now what is the total formal charge over sulfur? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 +4. So oxidation state or oxidation number of sulfur in SO2 is +4 and oxidation number of oxygen is -2. Clear, students? Now I want to give another example. Find the oxidation state of sulfur in sulfuric acid. Calculate the oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO4. We have already calculated the oxidation number of sulfur in Na2SO4 in our first video by applying the formula. But here we are going to calculate the oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO4 by creating structure. So look at it carefully. What is the structure of sulfuric acid? Sulfur single bond O, single bond H. Yes, single bond O, single bond H, and double bond O, double bond O. Now for these two bonds, ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर -2, -1, -1, -2. So for these two bonds, सल्फर के ऊपर +2. And similarly for these two bonds, ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर -2, सल्फर के ऊपर +2. And for this single bond, ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर -1, सल्फर के ऊपर +1, because oxygen is more electronegative. For this bond, ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर -1, सल्फर के ऊपर +1. For this bond, which is more electronegativity? Oxygen is more electronegative because hydrogen is electropositive. Clear? So for this bond, oxygen के ऊपर -1, हाइड्रोजन के ऊपर +1. And similarly for this bond, oxygen के ऊपर -1, हाइड्रोजन के ऊपर मोल चार्ज +1. So oxidation state of sulfur in sulfuric acid is +2, +2, +4, +5, +6. So oxidation number of sulfur in sulfuric acid is +6. And see the formal charge over oxygen, -2, -2. Clear? And oxidation state over hydrogen is +1. Clear or not? If we will take about sulfur in H2S, now the structure is S single bond H, S single bond H. In between these, which is more electronegative? Sulfur is more electronegative than hydrogen. So for this bond, hydrogen is +1, sulfur is -1 formal charge. And for this bond, hydrogen के ऊपर +1, sulfur के ऊपर -1. So what is the formal charge over sulfur? -1, -1, -2. So oxidation number is -2 in H2S. Oxidation number of sulfur is -2. So you see the sulfur shows variable oxidation number. Sometimes +6, sometimes -2, sometimes +4. So it depends upon the compound in which it present. Now we are going to find out the oxidation state of manganese in KMnO4, potassium permanganate. I have already calculated the oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4 by applying the formula. But we will calculate now structurally. Now what is the structure of KMnO4? Manganese Mn, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, single bond O, single bond K. Here manganese is metal. Manganese is metal, so it is electropositive, and oxygen is electronegative, as we know. So for these two bonds, what is the formal charge over oxygen? -2. And for these two bonds, manganese go over +2. Similarly for these two bonds, formal charge over of oxygen is -2, formal charge over manganese is +2. Similarly for these two bonds, oxygen go over -2, manganese go over +2. And for this single bond, oxygen go over -1, manganese go over +1, because oxygen is more electronegative than manganese. And similarly for this single bond, potassium go over +1, oxygen go over -1, because oxygen is more electronegative than potassium. Now what is the formal charge over manganese? +7. So oxidation state of manganese is +7. Manganese shows highest oxidation state in first series of D block. That means 3D series. Clear? Manganese shows a highest oxidation state in first series of D block. Let's come to calculate oxidation state of phosphorus in H3PO4, which is phosphoric acid, and H3PO3 phosphorus acid, and hypophosphorus acid, H3PO2 hypophosphorus acid. Now what is the structure of phosphoric acid first? P double bond O, single bond O, single bond H, OH, OH. Now come to the phosphorus acid. What is the structure of phosphorus acid? P double bond O, single bond O, single bond H, single bond O, single bond H, single bond H. Hypophosphorus acid, P double bond O, single bond O, H, H, H. Now come to the first one. For these two bonds, what is the formal charge over oxygen? Is -2, because oxygen is more electronegative than phosphorus. And similarly for these two bonds, phosphorus के ऊपर +2. Similarly for the single bond, oxygen के ऊपर -1, +1. ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर -1, phosphorus के ऊपर +1, oxygen के ऊपर -1, because oxygen is more electronegative than phosphorus. Now what is the total formal charge over phosphorus? +2, +1 3, +1 4, +1 5. So oxidation state of phosphorus in phosphoric acid is +5. Now come to the phosphorus acid. For these two bonds, oxygen के ऊपर -2, phosphorus के ऊपर +2, oxygen -1, +1. Similarly for this single bond, oxygen के ऊपर -1, phosphorus के ऊपर +1. And for this one, which is more electronegative? Phosphorus is more electronegative than hydrogen. Hydrogen is electropositive. So for the single bond, ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर phosphorus के ऊपर -1, हाइड्रोजन के ऊपर +1, because phosphorus is more electronegative than hydrogen. So assign -1 to phosphorus. Now what is the total formal charge? 2 1 3 1 is called +3. Now come to the hypophosphorus acid. For this bond, ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर -2, phosphorus का +2, इसके ऊपर -1, इसके ऊपर +1. Now in between, phosphorus is more electronegative, so assign -1 over phosphorus and +1 over hydrogen. And similarly for this, now what is the total formal charge? Equals to +1. 2 3 1 cancel to +1. Clear? So here is +5, here is +3, and in hypophosphorus acid is +1. Also phosphorus shows variable oxidation state in different compound. Clear? So in this video we have seen how to calculate the oxidation state or oxidation number in a compound structurally. Thank you.